So today I'm going to show you how to make free horsepower. So you're going to start by removing the exhaust manifold. There's 11 bolts holding the manifold together. The two at the bottom end where the catalytic converter meets, and the oxygen sensor needs to be removed. According to the SCCA Spec Miata rulebook, 1.6 liter 1990 through 1993, the exhaust manifold internal factory welds may be ground from the interior of the OEM exhaust manifold up to 1 inch from the mounting surface of the cylinder head and the collector. So what we're going to do is grind all of the nasty factory weld out and blend it and smooth it to get some free horsepower. So these should be the tools you need to do the work on the exhaust manifold. First one is a carbide cutter. Then you're going to need one of these sanding barrels. Now there's two types. This is the one you want to use. The quick release allows the sanding barrel to fall off, and then this flap wheel to finish it off. You're going to start by grinding that weld completely down and flush with the edge of the exhaust manifold. Once you're finished, use the sanding wheel and the flap wheel to smooth it and get a nice even transition.